Welcome everyone. So today we're going to solve a very nice math test problem, which is 2 minus root 916 divided by 5. Now when you have something like this, first very important thing you need to remember that we are following, or we should always follow BODMAS or PEMDAS. Whatever works for you, you should follow. Okay. Now, according to BODMAS and PEMDAS, before division, addition, subtraction, multiplication, all of that, one very important thing has to be done. That is what? Finish out the exponents. So please understand, root of 16, root of a positive number will always get you a positive value, which is 4. So now your lot of people think, then when do I get plus minus root 16? The answer is plus minus 4. That only happens if you had a variable which was equal to 16. So when you take the value of x, that is nothing but root of plus minus root of 16, that is plus minus 4. Okay, please understand, this situation only happens, the plus minus situation only happens if there is a variable which is being involved. Okay, because the nature of the variable is that its value has to keep changing, it changes its value. So now over here, instead of writing this question, we will write down the value for root 16 and keep the rest as it is. So this is 2 minus root 16 is 4 divided by 5. Now please understand, according to BODMAS and PEMDAS, division and multiplication hold more priority than addition and subtraction. So first we will do this. So this will be 2 minus 4 upon 5. Okay, and then since there is nothing in the denominator for 2, that means the denominator is 1. And in order to find the value of, or rather to understand what is the value of 2 minus 4 by 5, you need to take LCM. So make the entire denominator as 5. Now this gets multiplied by 5 over here and here. So basically you are getting 10 minus 4. So answer comes out to be 6 minus 5. You can even write this as 1 by 5, or you can even write this as 1.2. Okay, all of these answers are correct. I hope this is very clear to everyone. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video.